I'm Carly Shimkus with Fox 411. A revealing new documentary explores music legend David Bowie's final days as he privately battled cancer. British filmmaker Francis Whately revealed to Fox News Bowie's bandmates in The Next Day didn't even know he was ill. They also talked about how his illness impacted his work, saying he's driven by music and wants to create, but he now wants to create in a far more sensible and mature way, which was to do the music in the day and then see his family in the evenings like a regular 9-to-5 job. That was certainly a change from the David Bowie the musicians knew. The documentary also reveals some lighter aspects about the music icon, like his sense of humor. David was a genuine funny guy. He was known for his playful sense of humor, whether it was Monty Python or Ricky Gervais. He loved watching comedy shows. He would also laugh at the ridiculousness of the world. David Bowie, The Last 5 Years, is out January 8th, David Bowie's birthday. He would have been 71. For more on this and other entertainment news, check out Twitter and Facebook at Fox 411.